Welcome back, car enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the incredible performance of Lamborghini's latest marvel, the Revuelto. Racing driver Andrea Caldarelli takes this beast for a spin at the Autodromo Piero Taruffi in Italy. The Revuelto, Lamborghini's new flagship, boasts a staggering 1,001 horsepower from its hybrid system, featuring a 6.5-liter V12 engine and 3 electric motors. Watch as it tears up the track, showcasing its power and agility. Check out these power slides and lightning-fast acceleration. The Revuelto goes from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds and can hit a top speed of 217 miles per hour. Inside, it's all about precision and control. Racing driver Andrea Caldarelli, a member of Lamborghini's Squadra course team, praises its handling and drivability, even with its immense power. The Revuelto is already a hit, sold out for over 2 years. First deliveries are expected by the end of this year. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting car content. Stay tuned. Now let's enjoy the rest of the video as racing driver Andrea Caldarelli takes this beast for a thrilling spin at the Autodromo Piero Taruffi in Italy.
Also, all the gear changes, amazing, with a double clutch transmission, 8-speed. You can really feel all the gears going in so smoothly. Now a very slow corner in second gear, we put the nose in, and here you go. Like when you ask for power, you have those 3 electric motors plus the V12 engine kicking in all together. It's so smooth. It's insane how we can be so smooth with a V12 engine thanks to the electric torque vectoring from the electric motor. It gives you such a nice feeling and precision on driving that we never had before on a Lamborghini, and now is such a privilege to drive it around this track and have all this feeling. In a corner like this where you have to have a double apex, a bit of steering angle, wait there, push on throttle, waiting that the electric motor kick in from the front, the V12 from the back, and then you don't even feel it. You are in 6th gear doing 250 kilometers an hour, and you don't really feel that you upshift actually 4 gears. Obviously we are in Corsa mode that gives you all the best. Literally you can feel every single centimeter of the track. Every steering input is so precise. Such an amazing machine. Amazing. This is Lamborghini DNA, you know. You want to have fun when you are on track. You want it to push it to the limit. And this new Revuelto really gives you this. Our new V12 plug-in hybrid.